Hi, second graders. Welcome to writing lesson 4. You are really doing a great job of sharing everything you know about your informational topic. I'm learning so much by seeing the text features and listening to you read some of the things that you wrote. We're going to continue today to think about how authors use text features. We've learned that sometimes authors put things in the text features that are also in their text, but sometimes authors give us brand new information. Take a look at this page from Tornadoes. We've been reading this book in our reading lesson. In this text, here's what Gail Gibbons writes. As the funnel cloud spins faster and faster, it sucks up more and more warm air and becomes bigger and louder and more powerful. If it touches the ground, a tornado is born. Now let's take a look at her text feature. She includes this illustration with a little bit of a diagram in there with the arrows, but then she includes this caption. I'm going to read this caption, and I want you to think, is this the same information that was in the text, or is this new information? If it's the same information, I want you to give me 2 thumbs up. If it's new information, give me 1 thumb up. Ready? Listen carefully. Tornadoes may occur at any time of the year if the weather conditions are right. Was that the same information as the text, or is this new information? On the count of 3, show your thumbs. 1, 2, 3. Lots of thumbs like this. That's exactly right. This is brand new information. She didn't tell us anything about when the tornado happens down here. It was just describing the tornado. Gail Gibbons used the caption to give us some new information, and writers do that sometimes. That's going to be our goal for today. I can write an informative text about a topic using text features to develop new points about a topic. Let me show you how to do this. Here are some steps that you can take if you want to include new information in your text feature that you didn't write in your text. Read through the facts and details you have written. So first you have to reread what you already wrote. Then you study the text features. So you look carefully at the text features you already have. And then you think, what else? So what else could I teach? And what text feature? Is there a text feature that I could add to my writing that's going to help teach my readers? Add it to your text. So you look carefully and think, what did I already teach them? What else can I teach them? And what text feature can I create to teach my readers? And then you add it to your text. Let's practice doing that with mine first, and then you'll get a chance to try it out on your own. All right, let's follow our steps. First, read through the facts and details you have written. This is the final page of my writing. So I want to read through what I've already written. Ready? Follow along with me. Finally, hedgehogs are pets you can play with. If you hold a hedgehog, you must put 2 hands under its body. That keeps their feet safe. You can also give them toys to play with. They like running wheels and small jingle balls. So I gave them some facts and details about how to hold the hedgehog safely and some toys that could be played with. Now I need to study the text feature. Well, so far, here's what I have for my text feature. I have an illustration of a person holding their hedgehog. Notice how I put 2 hands because that's what the text said. You must put 2 hands under its body. So I put that in my illustration. But now I need to think, what else? What else do I want to teach them about this part of the topic that I didn't write yet? So one of the things I didn't tell everyone is that you have to be careful when you hold the hedgehog because its spines can actually poke your hands. And sometimes it helps to wear gloves so that your hands don't get poked. Maybe I could add that into a text feature. So what kind of text feature might be best for me to add? You know, I think I'm going to add a caption. I haven't added any captions yet in my writing, and that would be a great thing to add in a caption. So I'm going to add it to my text like this. Remember, a caption is a sentence or a few sentences next to an illustration or photograph that tell more about it. So that's what I'm going to add now. You can wear gloves if the spines poke your hands. You don't have to wear gloves, but you can. And I'm going to put my caption into a box so that I know that it's a little bit separate than the illustration. It kind of draws my reader's attention. So did you see how I added some more information? I didn't tell my readers in my text that they could wear gloves if the spines are pokey on their hands, and I didn't put it in this text feature. It's some new information. So I added it like a caption, and I even put a box around it. Now my readers have information that's in the text and in the text feature. I contributed some more information. That's what authors do, and now you're going to get a chance to try it yourself. Okay, writers, it's your turn. Here's your job for independent writing. Reread what you've written and the text features that you've already added. Then think, what else can I teach? And what text feature can I use? Give your readers some more information using a text feature. Choose the best one. So thinking through all the different text features, choose the best one to teach your new idea and add it to your writing. You could use blank paper if you want to, or you could add it to your writing paper like I did. Then keep working on your informational writing. If you're not finished with this text, keep working on it. If you are finished with it, go back to your idea list and start a new idea. All right? Head off, have a great time on your independent writing, and then head back to the Nearpod so you can reflect on your lesson.